Hi guys, Rob from Icebox Auto here today. Today's install is on a BMW F30 3 Series, which is fits the 2012 to 17 model with the MBT current screen and the 6-pin LDVS. So we've installed the latest Android 11 system into this car today, and it works perfectly in conjunction with the car's original settings. So you can go back to the iDrive menu, which is, as you can see there. Also, you can get rid of this screen here by going to a full sec screen, which is done in the back end settings, which is done under the password. So if we hold down the menu button, it'll just basically go into the system here. So as you can see, we've got the home page, which is designed on the ID7 tag of the original BMW today. So as you can see the navigation here, which if you select that they have the Google Play set up. You can download other maps to the system by using the Play Store direct, which will upload the applications direct onto the system, and then you can assign it to that navigation button there, so it can play any software. So if you're more interested in Waze, Copilot here, Maps, etc., you can use that one. So the next one here, which is the communications, which is the Bluetooth side of things. So obviously this is where you would connect your Bluetooth to the phone. We've got nothing connected to it today, but just obviously just putting on the video there to show you what it looks like. Okay, so we flick across to here. This is where obviously you would play your music or your videos. So if you had a flash pen, put all your movies and your albums on there, and it would obviously play through here. So as you can see, this is a little silly song that the Chinese put on there, but obviously I'm sick of this song because this is what we always test it with. This is the HD side, the video side here. So if I was to put that one on there, so you can see, oh man, let's have a little look. So you can go to full screen here, and then it plays the movies. But this is just like a demo one, just to show you what it's like. If I put the volume up, as you can hear, the sound is as you would expect, of good quality. Okay, so if I was to go back to the home section here, this is obviously a car information app, which gives you a little bit of it takes you back to the system here, and then you also have the dashboard one, which shows you the speedometer. So if I was to put my foot down, as you can see, it's moving there. You can change the background colours if you wanted to red and stuff like that. So next thing is the applications. So this is what your prefixed applications will be on the car, on the system itself. When you get the system, you can also add any applications you want from the Play Store, which would obviously go into this section here. So I'll just give you a little run by what you get from the system here, which is obviously the settings here, which is your back end settings, which I'll show you in a moment. Play Store. So if you wanted to log into your Play Store, this is where obviously you download all the applications from. So as you can see, you can download all kinds. If you want Netflix, then obviously let us know and we'll send you the APK, because they're in the Play Store, they're not compatible with these type of systems. I don't know whether Netflix have put a block on it, but we'd send you that anyway. And what you do, we'd send it to you, download it to your PC, and you would then put it on a USB pen, and then you go into this option here. Excuse me a second, my fingers obviously are not touching them on the left hand. Let me just do the right hand there. It's not laggy, it's just basically me not touching the screen properly. So obviously you'd have a USB section in there, and this is where obviously it'd show you any APKs that you'd have on a USB pen. You could upload them from here.